Yo guys, this is Biker Jake and we are at Newcastle train station, and instantly a TransPennine Express. Oh my god, my zoom's gone crazy. And over there is a freight train, if you can see it. So yeah, I'm just strolling along. We've got another train over there, 2-car unit. There's the front of the TransPennine Express Class 800. Now this station's got a lot of platforms. I'm still walking. There's post. But yeah, I don't know if you can see, but there is 4 locomotives in here. That one, I'm trying to zoom into, that is going to be taking off soon, I'm guessing. The TransPennine Express will be going that way. And it's been my dream. Once again, we've got that freight train in case it takes off. Got a lot of track. A lot going that way.
And I am living with motor neuron disease, which makes me extremely vulnerable to the COVID-19 virus. Thank you for wearing a face covering and only travelling if your journey is really necessary.
There's a train.
I'm Chris Eaton-Harris, the UK Government's Rail Minister. To protect others, please wear a face covering on your journey. Wash your hands often.
One of them's about to take off.
Thank you.
I don't know which one, but I hear a train. Now that bridge over there in distance, I came here on. Oh my god, what is going on with my phone? Well yeah, TransPennine Express.
Train at
Northern
2 is the 1623 Northern service to Carlisle via Hexham. Calling at Dunstan, Gateshead Metro Centre, Leyden, Wylam, Prudhoe, Stocksfield, Riding Mill, Corbridge,
I've never been
Hexham,
this close to a
Hayden
Class
Bridge,
800.
Mill, Portwhistle, Brampton, Weatherall and Carlisle. This train has 2 coaches. Platform 2 of the 1623 Northern service to Carlisle via Hexham.
No wonder why that was so loud and right near its speaker.
The next train to arrive at platform 4 will be the 1628 LNER Azuma service to St Neots via Peterborough.
Is it?
Durham,
Azuma is my favourite train.
York, Doncaster, Retford, Newark Northgate, Grantham, Peterborough and St Neots. This train has 9 coaches.
9
There are
coaches.
no catering facilities available on the train. First class accommodation is at the front of the train.
Please note that you need to have a reservation to board this service.
Anyway, I'm gonna pause it till I see a interesting train about to come. Guys, there's a train gonna take off. There. We've got a train taking off.
Possible to maintain social distancing.
This one's going to Carlisle.
Okay.
Metro Centre, Hexham, Prudhoe and Carlisle.
Okay. There she goes. Azuma! Full electric. cars are somewhere over that way. Why are you so squeaky? That squeaking's going right through me. Yeah. So yeah, Class 800 LNER Azuma.
LNER Azuma. Service to St
Azuma.
Leon's via Peterborough. Calling at Durham, Darlington, Northampton,
That train will be
York,
setting off soon, I'm
Doncaster,
predicting.
Retford, Newark Northgate.
So yeah, guys, we're just going to be moving further forward, away from the annoying speaker which is doing my heading, and I have a headache from. So yeah. Yeah, this is a good area. We can see round corner. We can see the Azuma. She's going. Bye, and then the Azuma.
The next train to arrive at platform 4 will be the 1639 cross-country service to Plymouth. Calling at Durham, Darlington,
Oh my god, this is long.
Wakefield, Westgate, Sheffield,
And loud. Bye. When I'm older, I hope I'm driving that.
There are no catering facilities available on the train.
Hey, you can see all the way down.
Is at the rear of the train.
Transpennine service, Northern service. Yeah, I'll be back when another train's about to come.
The driver soon, look soon.
Yeah, I think that train's about to set off. Transpennine service. We've got the freight over there.
The next
The
train
corner
to
over there.
arrive at platform 4 will be the 1639 cross-country service to Plymouth.
Oh,
Calling at
Plymouth.
Durham, Darlington, York, Leeds, Wakefield, Westgate, Sheffield,
Oh,
Chesterfield, Derby,
it's all the way over there.
Birmingham,
Yep,
Street,
and I got it.
Spa, Bristol Parkway,
Look,
Bristol
it's all the way over there.
Taunton,
The poor
Bristol
thing.
Parkway, Exeter St Davids, Newton Abbot, Totnes.
Now that is a Voyager.
This train has 9 coaches. There are no catering facilities available on the train. First class accommodation is at the rear of the train.
The wind's blowing my camera all over.
For the 1639 cross-country service to
The
Plymouth,
cross-country train will be stopping about here.
Darlington, York, Leeds, Wakefield Westgate, Sheffield, Chesterfield, Derby, Burton-on-Trent, Birmingham New Street, Cheltenham Spa, Bristol Parkway, Bristol Temple Meads, Taunton, Tiverton Parkway, Exeter St Davids.
Oh god, I got an itchy
Newton
nose.
Abbot, Totnes, and Plymouth. This train has 9 coaches.
Is that the Voyager having 9 coaches?
Service from 1641
Then-
Northern service to Whitby. Calling
Sweet.
at Newark, Sunderland, Seaham, Hartlepool, Seaton Carew,
Ouch, the front of it's dirty.
Thornaby, Middlesbrough,
Oh, another train.
Martin,
And they're both Voyagers. One there, one there.
Battersea, Kildare, Commonplace, Carsington Hall,
Not as quiet as I thought it would be.
Gravesend, Everton, Brunel, Slides, Ruddock.
Sounds like a money box.
Train has 2 coaches.
Alright. One train's eating the other. Yep, he's gone. One of them's got to be setting off soon. I'll be back when I hear one about her. Guys, I just heard a noise. I think it was a train. That Voyager's either gonna do something, or that TransPennine Express is gonna do something. I'll keep you updated. Guys, Class 800! Da, 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 da. Oh my god, it's got some speed. Got squeaky wheels. Oh my god. I've never been this close to another Neo Azuma. Yak. That is a messy front. I wish there was a train car wash. Well, a train wash. I want to touch it. I'm addicted to these trains. Oh my god. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm super excited. Voyager's buying. Bye bye. Yes! Woo! Shout out to the driver. Bye bye. Dude, there is the Class 800.
And Whitby. This train has 2 coaches. Platform 7 of the 1641.
I don't like boarding on a corner. Bye bye, Voyager. I'll be adjusting my movements quite a lot. There's a Voyager there, so yeah. Guys, there's the guard. Class 800 is about to go. Bye bye.
1643 TransPennine Express service to
I predicted it.
via Manchester Victoria.
Sorry, it got a bit too zoomed. Bye bye, Ellen Nia. And he is officially round the corner. I don't get why there's a black track and a silver track. Why is there a black track? Peace. Oh, guys, there's the Azuma. Bye. No, I'll be back when there's another train. Just as I said that, look who's leaving. TransPennine Express! I'm following them on Instagram. Bye, Class 800 TransPennine Express. Alright, I'll be back when there's another train coming in. Guys, I'm walking past this northern service to Valou. I'll be back when I'm done. Quickly get this train in. Guys, I found a train. I don't know if you can see it. It's all the way over there. But it's off on the outer platform. Is there a platform over there? Yeah, there is. There's an outer platform. But regular train spotters don't get to see the roof of a train. This is the roof of a Voyager. It's got a lot of dirt on. Why do trains not have car washes? Washes. Walking over to the sign. Oh God, I've gone too far.
You know this one's a diesel, don't you?
Yeah.
That's why it's dirty on the roof. Diesel.
Right. Or there's a train on that platform. I don't know if you can see it, but there's...
You have to run down and get it. Down there.
this side. I hope I can catch it. Look, kids are going to see me do a drift.
This is a security message. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak
There
to
she
staff or
is.
text the British Transport Police on
Woo.
61016. We'll sort it. See it?
Northern
Say
Service
it,
over there.
Sorted.
There's a not... Wait. That train at the front looks...
That's not Royal Air Force.
And it's eating another train. Oh, it's coupled. I don't know if you can see, but it's coupled. Perfect. Now I am here with a train smarty pants. Well, not a smarty pants. Someone who's smart with trains. What train is that? Anyway.
Well, platform 8 is. There's Royal Mail. There's Royal Mail Depot.
Hey, Royal Mail Depot. I wish I could sponsor them. Wait, are those to derail the train over there?
Yeah, repair the tracks.
Holy Granoli. So many tracks. There's, I'm counting them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 down there, but I'm not off there because I don't want to drop my camera. But yeah, here is the cross-country Voyager. I'm gonna go right up to it so you can get a good look at her.
One of the 1706 Northern Service to Morpeth. Call it
There it is.
Framlington and Morpeth. This train
There's the clock there. I wish that announcement would shut up. Anyway, I'll be back when there is another train setting off or coming in. Shout out to LNER, basically, for being the best train service ever. LNER, if you're watching this, I want to work for you when I'm older. So yeah, I'll be back when there's another train in. By the way, that train is in. Guys, I'm trying to catch a Trans-Pennine Express before it goes. What's on top of a Trans-Pennine service? Oh my god! Oh my god! There she goes. Ah, my ears. High frequencies. Now back to base. Train's over there. Train over there. I can't do basic maths. Yeah. And I got the roof of it.
Did you?
Yeah. They're gonna like that.
Electric as well.
Yeah. I could get my other granddad one of them. But he's got a mobility scooter. Is that Northern Service going to set off? All these passengers are from the Class 800, aren't they? Oh shoot, I wasn't paused. Trains. One Northern train, 2 Northern. Guys, one of these trains is about to move. Which one? Leave your guess. You don't need to guess. Oh, there's the Azuma over there. Now, I'm sorry I can't be up top because a family member's gone into shops quickly to get some change, because we're offering a underground in this video. So yeah, I'm gonna end train spotting here. So yeah, I'll be back when we're on the underground, or when this train takes off first. Bye. This train's taking off! It's taking off! Oh my god! Woo! Hey! Bye, Mr. Train. Look, it's all jagged on tracks. Oh my god! You scared the beans out of me? Oh, Fanta, Fanta, Fanta. Okay, there's one of the people.
Yeah.
Right, 2 minutes, guys.
Yeah.
We're at the metro.
Back from there.
Yeah. Okay, we got this shiny wall. Wait, you can see yourself, I think. Comment if you can. But we've got to go down a lot of steps. I'm scared of falling. I feel like a train's brakes. Oh, and I figured out what them circles on trains' rims are. They are to help the train's brakes. Right. We're gonna get some tickets. So
Your
we can
attention,
go
please.
So yeah,
This is medical control with the passenger information.
here's the ticket
Passengers are
machine.
advised not to leave personal possessions, bags or luggage unattended anywhere on the metro network. Any items left unattended may be removed and destroyed by security services.
One adult.
Once again, this is medical control with information to all network passengers, advising passengers not to leave personal possessions, bags or luggage unattended anywhere on the metro network. Any items left unattended may be removed and destroyed by the security services.
Add more tickets.
Metro thanks you for your cooperation.
Adult.
A adult. I'll be back when we're on train.
Okay.
Guys, I've got my ticket. Time to hunt for train. Guys, I hear a metro.
Right, yeah, look this way now. Look this way. I'll do it again.
Is it done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Get when the train comes if you want. I think that's under the line now.
Ah, it's on the other side.
It's on the other side, yeah. It's coming this way, I think. I'll get you that side.
Yeah. Right. But can I see it? Hey guys, there's the metro over there. I only just got the metro. I'll be back when it's here.
Right, you get ready because I'm going to take the pictures as it comes.
Yeah. Is that ours?
What's going? You better draft the wind when it's coming. Go on your face. Pushes
Guys.
The wind, it pushes the air through. From when it's coming, it's pushing the air down.
Guys, our train is here.
Yeah, it's pushing the air down.
Well, it's not a train, it's a...
I'll get a picture.
The next train at platform 1 is for
There's some
South
lights.
Shields.
There she is.
Your attention, please.
I'm going to get at the very, very back. So over here, in this coupled coach. Come on, I'm sitting here.
The train standing at platform 1 is for South Shields.
Can you
Put on this one.
I was wanting it to look like I'm driving it.
No, we can't get on that bit. That's at the back, it's not. It's the front bit you need to get on, don't you?
Yeah. The door is closed. We're sealed in. Here's what we're gonna see. It's got some go, hasn't it? And in 3, 2, 1, complete gone. Both sides. We've got some speed. I don't know if you can see, but it is pitch. Look. We're in the light.
Stand up there. Pitch out there.
Dun, dun. I hope this is the thumbnail for the video. That is deep. Oh, in the tunnel again. Hey, you can see yourself. This is Gateshead. I will stop. There's the metro table.
That's it. Can you go off now? That's it. Here we are.
The train standing at platform 1 is for South Shields.
There she is. We're off on a bus next. There's the couple up.
This way.
Oh. Oh shoot. Could you, Grandad, could you stick these in your pocket please? Thanks. There's the metro. Yes, solid stairs. Right, can I get the metro going? Guys, this is the best view I can get you. It is full electric. Bye. Oh, Brenda, did you see that?
Yeah.
It's that blue spot.
Sparks, yeah.
Guys, I'll be back when we're near the bus. Okay? In my ticket goes. Out she goes. Gates open. Here is the bus we are boarding.
Go on, let me go.
Okay.
Took the bench before that,
please stand behind the 2-metre line until we have stopped, and then promptly exit right at
first thing
time.
on.
We recommend wearing a face
Bench
covering
before
Got to put my face mask on.
sanitizing your hands before and after your journey. For future
Doesn't matter,
journeys,
it's like you pay me
please
to do it
use a
anyway. Fine,
contactless
no
bank
problem.
card or buy your ticket
I'll be
in
back
advance
when
on
we've
the
arrived
Go
at
East app
this
to help
station.
minimise
Bus heaven! The bus journey was 5 stars. Bye! Anyway guys, till next time, Bike Jake, I'll see you. Have a safe, wonderful rest of your day, and I'll be back in the next video.